Boses na ulanan ako sa Japan. Kala ko si Kala ko kaya na ng katawan ko 10 degrees. Wala akong dalang thermal. Alright, very short lang po. Meron tayong barley powder. It's 100% barley powder. Dahil mahal na mahal natin ang gawang Japan. Napakaganda, very effective. At drink natin, akala ko may beef pa. Eh, sabi ko, ano na lang ako, magja-jacket kasi nag-gain ako ng weight. Ay, di pala. Imahinasyon ko lang yun. Ayan. So, it's 100% pure and organic barley. It has rich in vitamins and minerals, rich in amino acids, and high in dietary fiber. So, alam nyo na ang ating sekreto. Saka na natin yan na bibigyan ng tuon. Tuon? Dahil nga, may iba tayong face for our barley na magkakaroon tayo ng another press con this May. Of course naman. At ako din nagulat ha, kasi akala ko last time, yung room natin, naku, magtatampo ibang friends ko sa press kasi hindi tayo kasha. So, yung pala. So, sobrang pagmamahal ni Soler, maraming salamat. They upgraded Beauty Derms room. Napaka-spoiled naman.
Palakpakan naman natin, Mami.
Yes, kaya talaga nakalagay, intimate, yung isang room natin na maganda, na good for 50 to 60 bucks. Nagulat ako, ba't nasa ballroom kayo? May pera ba ako? Bayan?
Madami.
Madami? Dapat ganun positive. Positive. Noyara na daw ni Dennis. Treat me as best actor. Okay, let's now start because it's already 1:30. Let me begin by thanking you all for your continued support of our main company, Beauty Derm Corporation, as well as Belda's. It's always pleasant to share milestones with our entertainment and lifestyle media. Maraming salamat po. Since its introduction 5 months ago, Belda's brand has successfully reached its market and continues to do so. The idea is always be truthful about what you sell and to constantly consider ways to highlight to consumers. They are the ones who move the numbers, and I consider myself fortunate to have made genuine connections with them. While I run the business, it's not only about me. It's also about them from the various backgrounds who share a passion for wellness and believe in our products. And while some strive to be trendy, we strive to be the best. You can always start a trend, but they will always find ways to discover what's the best. Becoming the best does not happen suddenly. It's always a combination of hard work and heartfelt desire. So, media friends, please join me as we welcome our best actor, Mr. Dennis Trillo, one of his generation's best actors, as the face of Belda's Zero Filter Sunscreen. Anyone could be the current trend, but not everyone can be the best in the coming years. Yes, we are turning 16 this 2025 at abangan na aming pasabog ngayong taon ito. Thank you very much, and remember, we don't follow trends. We aim to be the best. Maraming salamat po.
A round of applause, of course, mga kaibigan, to our President and CEO. Thank you so much for that warm welcome, Mami Ray.